Okay, hello and welcome to a playthrough that I'm going to start of Terraria. And also, you will also see another video coming up that I will make of a guy that donated me like probably like 20 or so games. Some of them are full screen and I can't record them, sadly, because they won't let me go out of full screen, because how dare they. But other than that, yeah. Also, that was pretty funny that they did that. And just wanted to let you guys see that nonsense. So hold on. All right. Okay. So let's get into this. Let's go create a character. I have not done anything since I started up the game. So absolutely none. Nothing. Wait, whoops. Oh, let's do this. That. Yeah. I'm gonna make it like the guy that I have on Xbox. It's pretty funny. He's like, just all you see is red eyes. It's just the funniest thing ever. Here, I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see all this, so I'll see you when I actually get inside the game. Okay, welcome back. We are now inside the game. Okay. Yeah. What? A worm? Oh. Oh my god, it's a worm. Oh. Oh, well, he's dead. Hold on. Okay, there we go. We're back now. After some, figuring out of stuff. Ooh, whoa, what the fuck? Just going to... What are you? You're just a regular slime, but you walk like a bunny. You confuse me. I've never played this on PC. I've only played this on, Xbox, and this is, mighty different. Okay, well, let's just take all that. Like, let's get that. Alright. What? We cannot get you? Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, pumpkin already. Okay. Oh, wow, 9 of them. That is a mighty large amount of pumpkins. Gosh, so many pumpkins. Okay, well, let's actually, start getting wood for my house. Might actually be good. Just maybe. All your wood are belong to me. Oh god, it's a bunny slime. Get out of here. I'm trying to cut my wood. I will duke it out with you. Don't jump. You have like super jump because you're part bunny. I'm gonna go and get you. Oh god, the pain. Hey. Mine, mine. Oh my god. I am just doing horrible. Let's get these out. Fuck, get out of here. Let's drink this potion here. So they don't die. Okay. Well, I have a bit of wood, so let's get this. Okay. Oh god, the bunny's coming for revenge. And I will kill it. Die. Okay. So, let's get this tree out of here. Ow. I'm gonna get you. Your bones are mine. Ow. Unless you kill me. Okay, so let's see if I remember the correct dimensions for houses. So that's gonna be the door. Oh, can I please? Oh, I have to. The logic. I have to use a pickaxe to break placed wood. And then I think it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it only has to be 5. Oh, zombies? No. Oh god. Okay, Cody, you just chillax up there. You can die. Oh god. So that's 1, 2, 3. Shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think that's how long it has to be. Okay. God damn it, Cody. Get in here. You're gonna die. You're gonna die out there. I'm gonna laugh. Okay, so let's get this. Oh god, Zamziams. You startle me, Zamziam. Let's place that there. And place that there. Okay. And then make some wood walls. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, I thought that zombie was coming for me. So let's just actually block that off. So that I don't die. Cody, I don't care if you die. You can go die in a pit for all I care. Because I have a feeling you'll go run into a pit eventually. Because you know, AIs nowadays are smarter. Let's get that chair, because you're picky like that. Let's get 2 doors. Let's see. Need to look for wood walls. Come on, I need wood walls. Work with me here. Wood fishing pole. What? So I can't make wood walls. What? The logic. Oh wait, I think it's because I need a workbench and a chair. Alright. Alright, so will you please give me what I need? I don't think it's going to, because it's mean. Oh wait, oh, the wood wall's right there. Okay. Wood walls. Didn't see them last time. Let's go with 100. Oh, whoops. Ooh, whoa. What the heck? He's Superman! Superman! Long time no see, man. It's been like forever. Gosh. I can hardly remember the last time I seen you. And now you're a zombie. Gosh. It's just weird how time passes by. It's crazy. Alright, so... Okay, will you please get in here, Cody? Will you please? Alright, I even broke that down so you can get in here. Come on. Oh, raincoat zombie. I don't know if I can duke it out with you guys yet. Oh, 2 Supermans. I didn't know you cloned yourself. Gosh, Superman. What have you done with your life? Like, seriously, man. I don't know if I can handle this, but... Oh god, I don't think this is how this is gonna work. I think, yeah, I think I have grass seeds, so let's just fend them off from a distance real quick. And then, just gonna... Oh, gosh. Here. Oh! Well. Sounds like you problem, Cody. I think Cody's gonna die. Unless he runs the opposite direction, I'm pretty sure he's dead. Might as well say rip Cody. Oh god, rip me. Let's just close the door. That might work. Oh god. Let me just heal real quick. Hey Cody, I know you're almost dead, but I need to kill these guys. God. This is mayhem. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to survive him. I don't know. Oh. Ah! Oh, well, he's dead. Oh, I have more seeds. Oh, what the hell hit me? Whoa, oh, it's a demon eye. Whoa, what the fuck? It's a demon eye of like a bird. He's gonna murder me. Probably close my doors. And, let's see. Copper coins can be placed. What? The logic. Okay, so if I could do that, I could do this. Let me drink that so I don't die again. Oh shit, wrong button. Okay, do that. Ah, damn it. Doing this demon eye juke so that he can't. Oh god, no. I think I'm going to die. And by the way, guys, I'm playing on medium so that I can't just be a puss and play on easy. Oh god, why is it lagging so much? Fuck, it lagged me into death, you bastards. Okay, I was slain. How do I respawn? Oh god. What the fuck happened to my door? What? I spawned in it and it blew up and Okay, so I guess I found a small, duplication glitch of some sort. Oh god, I'm gonna fucking die. Because I built the walls, like, right on top of where I died. So it's going to be like oh god, umbrella slime. So whenever I spawn, I guess it's gonna just blow that up there. And